That's why. That explains it. In Japanese. Hi everyone, it's Matsu Samurai. Welcome back to my dojo. Do you know how to say that's why and like that's it, that explains it in Japanese? There are several different ways to say that, but I want to introduce you to this one today because this one is very convenient. どうりでどうりでどうりで I just said 3 times, but that means like that's why and like oh that explains it in Japanese. You can use this expression for both polite and casual style Japanese. This expression is used as a conversational response to the others. In my channel, I upload something useful for learning Japanese every week. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new to here. Okay then, let me show you some examples how to use this expression. どうりで Casual Style Japanese なんかいつもと違う動画だけど、今日はどうしてこれを作ったの？ How come you made this video today? It's kind of different compared to the other videos. 実は予定していた動画の台本を作っていたんだけど、今週は終わらなかったんだ。Actually, I've been making a script for a video that I was originally planning to upload, but I couldn't finish it this week. ああ、どうりで。Oh, that explains it. 今回はいつもの動画と比べて雰囲気が違いますが、この動画を作った理由を教えていただけますか？ This time, your video is somewhat different compared to the other videos. Could you tell me why you made this video? 実は予定していた動画の台本を作っていたのですが、今週中に終わらせられなかったのです。Actually, I've been making a script for a video that I was originally planning to upload, but I couldn't finish it this week. ああ、どうりで。Oh, that's why. 丁寧語 Polite Style Japanese ひろしさん、悲しそうですね。どうしたのでしょう？ひろし looks sad. I wonder what happened. 飼っている猫が病気だと聞きました。I heard that his cat is sick. はあ、どうりで。Oh, that's why. カジュアルな表現 Casual Style Japanese ひろしさん、悲しそうだね。どうしたんだろう。ひろし looks sad. I wonder what happened. 飼っている猫が病気なんだって。 heard that his cat is sick.どうりで. Oh, that's why. Vocabulary list. Let's check the vocabulary of this video. 予定 schedule, plan. 台本 script. 理由 reason. 雰囲気 atmosphere. 今週中 by the end of this week, during this week. 悲しそう looks sad. 嬉しそう looks happy. 飼う to have pet, to have pets. 猫 cat, cats. 犬 dog, dogs. 病気 sick, illness. I put this list in the description section or comment section. 私の後に続いて練習してくださいね。Please repeat after me for your practice. なんかいつもと違う動画だけど、今日はどうしてこれを作ったの？ Your turn! 実は予定していた動画の台本を作っていたんだけど、今週は終わらなかったんだ。Your turn! どうりで Your turn! This way is a little bit longer, but I know you can do it. 今回はいつもの動画と比べて雰囲気が違いますが、この動画を作った理由を教えていただけますか？ Your turn! Great! 実は予定していた動画の台本を作っていたのですが、今週中に終わらせられなかったのです。Your turn! どうりで Your turn! Thank you! ひろしさん、悲しそうですね。どうしたのでしょう。It's your turn. 飼っている猫が病気だと聞きました。It's your turn. はい。どうり Good job! ひろしさん悲しそうだね。どうしたんだろう。It's your turn. 飼っている猫が病気なんだって。It's your turn. はい。あー、どうりで。It's your turn. グッジョブ。はい。That's it for today. 今日はここまで。Thank you for watching up to the very end. This video wasn't what I was originally planning to post, but I hope this video was helpful for you. And it would be so nice if you could give me some feedback. If this video and the channel are good for you, please give me your big like! See you soon, guys! Bye! ではまた会いましょう!